doing amazing. Thank you for joining me today. We will continue on with this tree skirt and see how much progress we make. Thank you so much for finding me on my Facebook page, Learn to English Paper Piece with Belinda Deeb. I do appreciate it. I absolutely love seeing all of your projects. It gives me more ideas. Hopefully you're getting ideas from the page. Hey, and thanks for subscribing. My numbers are way up and I certainly do appreciate it. It encourages me to make more and more videos. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's the quilt top. Of course, all the seams are sewn. You still have the opening here. I have all the papers still in on the edges. Now what we've done is we've gone ahead and we've made a mirror image of the outline. So let me show you how this goes on. I'm gonna start by just oops, of course we need it to be right sides together, right? So let me show you what I've done. I have made a mirror image of the entire outline of this tree skirt and I've pieced it together. Around here and straighten it out for you. Okay, so now you can get an idea. This is going to be flipped underneath once we have stitched all around the entire outside edge with a whip stitch. And of course, we will do the same here and all the way down the sides. Let me kind of give you an idea what I've done. Down these straight sides, I've just used half hexies. I've done a flower here in the center with hexagons. And then along the edge, I've just followed what's already there. Hexagon, hexagon, half hexie. Hexagon, 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 half hexie. But you'll see you've got sections of 4 hexagons and then a half hexie. Another section, half hexie, and that goes all the way around. So I hope you guys have gotten this far. I hope you're enjoying the progress, and I cannot wait for you guys to start sharing all of your creations on my Facebook page. Thanks so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and happy sewing!